Hello kids, how are you all? You all are fine and safe at home. Are you all studying at home? Yes. Are you completing your work in your books and your notebooks, the work which is coming to you? Yes. In beautiful handwriting you have to do all subjects work. Yes. And what else you have to do? You have to take care of yourself. You have to eat healthy food. Yes. And you have to wash your hands frequently. You have to wear mask when you go out somewhere. Yes. Are you all doing all these things, or you are eating snacks at home? How many of you are eating snacks? And how many of you are eating healthy food, green vegetables, chapati, rice, and are you all having milk 2 times a day? Yes, you have to take care of yourself, children. Mama ko pareshan nahi karna hai during this period. Yes, Mama is already having lots of works at home, and she has to teach you also. Yes, और अगर उसके बाद भी आप मम्मा को परेशान करोगे, then how she will teach you? How she'll spare some time for teaching you? Yes. Okay. So in this session, come back. In this session, we'll be doing 2 questions in our notebook. You have made 1 copy for English ना? इसी copy में आपको English 2 का वर्क करना है. How you have to do? You have to divide this copy. इस तरह से पेज को फोल्ड करके you have to divide and you have to write English 2. ये जो आपने डिविजन करा है ना, इस पे आप लिख दो English 2. Okay? Then after this we'll be doing English 2 work. हाफ कॉपी में डिवाइड करना है. Yes? आगे का काम हम English 1 का करेंगे and पीछे का English 2. Are you able to understand? You don't have to make separate copy for English 2, nor separate copy for dictation you have to make. Okay, in the same copy you will be doing, and subject you write English 1 and English 2. Okay, clear children? So the work which we are doing in this session, you have to do in your notebook. Yes? So what we have to do, kids? Fill in the blanks with common nouns. Yes, we have to fill the blanks with common nouns. So, what is the first sentence? Come on, read. We play in the dash. We play in the park. Park is a common noun. It is the name of a place. Yes. Second is, my mother is a dash. My mother is a teacher. Okay, teacher is a common noun. The frog jumped into the pond. You have to fill this blank by writing frog. Yes, frog is a common name. The frog jumped into the pond. Next is, Sahiba is reading a book. What is Sahiba reading? Book. Yes, book is again a common name. We don't know the name of the book. Okay. The squirrel is eating nuts. The squirrel, गिलहरी होती है ना, what it is eating? It is eating nuts. Sixth is, my father is a doctor. So in this blank you will be writing father, as father is a common noun. Okay children, able to understand what you have to do? You have to do this work in your notebook. Now let's move on to question number 2. Okay children, now question number 2 is, underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. What you have to do? You have to underline the proper nouns. What are proper nouns, children? Proper nouns are special names. Say again, repeat again. Proper nouns are special names. So, read the first sentence. What is the first sentence? The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Read again. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. What is the special name? Yes, Taj Mahal is a special name here. So it is a proper noun. And again, Agra is also a special name given to a city. जैसे हम किस सिटी में रहते हैं? कोटा में. ऐसे आगरा भी एक सिटी है. आगरा is also a name of a city and Taj Mahal is in Agra. Okay? Next is Diwali is the festival of lights. I told you na, all the festivals are proper nouns and we are starting with the capital letter. See here, Taj Mahal is coming in between the sentence. Still we have written T and M capital because it is a proper noun. You have to take care of this thing. Agra, A is capital. Diwali, D is capital. I went to picnic on Saturday. Yes, name of the days of the week are also proper nouns now. So you will underline Saturday. Read point number 4. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. What is the special name in the sentence? New Delhi and India. Yes, India is the name of a country now. It is a special name. Number 5 is my birthday comes in November. It is the month name and I have told you that months names are also proper nouns. So you will underline November. Anya is my sister. Okay, Anya is my sister. What is the special name of my sister? Anya. Yes. Anya is a proper noun. Rohan takes Buzo for a walk. Rohan is having a pet dog and its name is Buzo. What is the special name of a pet dog of Rohan? Buzo. And Rohan takes him for a walk. So Rohan and Buzo are proper nouns. Last is children, I study in Ruth school. Yes, there are so many schools in Kota. Yes, if somebody asks you, in which school do you study? So what you will say? I study in school. School is a common noun. But you have to tell the special name of your school in which you are studying. Yes, you are studying in Ruth school. So RNS of Ruth school will be capital. Okay children, understood? These 2 questions you have to do in your copies. How you will do with the new page where you have done the partition ना, जहाँ copy को divide किया है ना, English 2 का first page लेंगे. You will write the date on this corner. In the center you will write chapter 1. Then under that name of the chapter, common and proper nouns, and here CW in the first line on the right corner. Yes? And you will underline, you will draw proper red margins. Okay children, this is all for today and here we finish our chapter 1 of English 2. That was common noun and proper nouns. Okay, do your work, complete your work so that we can move on to further chapters. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.